Why do we think it is so important to celebrate this anniversary? At the Grammar School, we are proud of our heritage, and we are trying to combine a respect for our traditions with an up-to-date education that will prepare you for 21st century life. Our founders at the end of the 15th century were working within a distinctly Christian framework. But even though we are now a school that incorporates pupils of all religions, and indeed of none, our moral code has barely changed in the intervening period. We give thanks to our founders for their foresight, and we wish to impress on you your place in this continuity of 525 years. So our 525th anniversary in 2020 is an opportunity to give thanks to those since 1495 who have translated the foresight of our benefactors into a lasting and present legacy for our school and for the town of Loughborough. In our school hymn, we sing of the 100 generations who have built our heritage over the intervening centuries. During the forthcoming year, we seek to celebrate these traditions and this heritage and to build the next chapter of the foundation.